A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Monday's trading action at Dalal Street, dated 22nd of June 2020. Before we start a brand new week of trading, here is a recap of last week's trade. In the week gone, the equity benchmark Sensex and Nifty rose almost 3% despite the fact that geopolitical tension between India and China were on the rise. The spectacular strength of Dalal Street was primarily on the backdrop of one catalyst, Reliance Industries. It was a banner week for Reliance Industries as Reliance Industries stock price zoomed to uncharted territory, up 11% on weekly basis on reports that the firm stands to get INR 1,15,693.95 crores from the 10 investors in exchange for 24.70% stake. Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani has said that Reliance Industries is now net debt free, looks to list retail telecom biz within 5 years. Reliance hits the market cap of INR 11 trillion. Reliance Industries becomes India's first $150 billion company. That brings us to our chart of the day, which suggests that Bharti Airtel is also a screaming buy. We expect the stock price to cross its all-time high at 613 soon. Our chart of the day is also bullish for MCX with intermonth targets at its all-time high at 1443. Now to today's trading theme at Dalal Street. There is real divergence in the wake of conflicting scenarios of rising stock markets in the backdrop of grim situation which the economy is facing because of the pandemic. Well, the world is experiencing the greatest economic contraction since World War II. Digging deeper, gold is seen rising as investors are seen taking flight to safety. Amidst this backdrop, expect volatility to be hallmark of this week's trade. We suspect Bank Nifty is the dark horse and should outperform by wide margin. Now, here are key things to know before today's market open. First, Wall Street ended lower in Friday's trade on fears of rising virus cases. Well, for the global markets to move up in a straight line, the need of the hour is to have a magic wand to stop COVID 19. Second, as per reports, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals on Saturday said it has launched an antiviral drug, Favipiravir, for treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID 19. Fabiflu is the first oral Favipiravir approved medication in India. Third, technically speaking, bulls are likely to dominate as long as Nifty is trading about psychological 10,000 mark, immediate targets seen at 10,329 and then aggressive targets at 10,601 mark. Net FOMO mindset was seen charging the bulls camp. Please note Nifty and Sensex have recovered 26% from March COVID-19 lows. Fourth, important Q4 earnings to trickle in today, Naukri, NDTV, Apollo Hospitals. Fifth, options data for 25th June suggests Nifty's maximum call open interest at 10,500 followed by 11,000 strike price. Nifty's maximum put open interest at 9,600 which is followed by 9,900 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest seen at 20,000 strike price while maximum put open interest seen at 20,000 strike price. Sixth, IT stocks corrected last Friday on backdrop of H-1B visa tensions. H-1B visa applicants may be affected as Trump plans to expand restrictions. 7th, WTI crude oil prices scaled 8.80% higher last week at $39.45 per barrel after OPEC producers and allies promised to meet supply cuts. Oil prices logged their highest finish since March 6. 8th, FIs were net sellers last week at INR 3321.90 crores and DIs were net buyers last week with a figure of INR 2656.55 crores. Outlook for Monday, last week's jubilant mood should keep downside limited. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.